In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to transfer and run your app locally Replit to GitHub. By the end, you'll have your Replit project safely on GitHub and ready to open on your computer. First, open your project in Replit. Make sure it loads fully and that any recent changes are saved. We'll be using Replit's built-in Git integration to connect to GitHub, so you won't need to touch the command line for this process. Look for the Git tab in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click the plus icon to add a new tool. Search for Git and enable it. When it's added, open the Git tab. If you're prompted to connect to GitHub, go ahead and sign in and authorize access. This simply lets Replit talk to your GitHub account so it can create and update a repository for your code. Inside the Git tab, choose the option to create a remote. A remote is just Git's name for the online repository your local code will sync to. When asked where to create it, select GitHub as the provider. You'll now see a few settings you can adjust before creating the repository. Pick a clear repository name and choose whether you want it to be public or private. Add a short description if you like. Make sure you're on the branch you want to publish. Typically main, it's a good idea to commit any outstanding changes in Replit, so what you push is up to date. Also, double check that sensitive files like environment variable files are ignored and not included in the repository. When everything looks good, click Create Repository on GitHub. Replit will set up the repo and push your project files. After it finishes, open GitHub in your browser and verify that your code and folder structure appear as expected. To run your project locally, open the repository on GitHub, click the code button and download the zip. Extract the zip on your computer, then open the folder in your preferred code editor. From here, follow your project's usual setup routine. Install any dependencies your stack requires. Add a local environment file if your app uses secrets, and start the development server or run the appropriate start command. Since every tech stack is different, the exact commands will depend on your framework or language, but the workflow is the same. Open the project, install what it needs, and run it from your editor or terminal. That's it. You've moved your app from Replit to GitHub and set it up to run locally. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.